What if I told you your microwave is secretly one of the most powerful and underestimated tools in your entire house? You've been using it for just one thing, but today we're blowing the lid off its true potential. Get ready to rethink everything you thought you knew about this kitchen staple because it's about to revolutionize how you cook, create, and even experiment. Forget just reheating leftovers. We're talking about next-level cooking hacks that will save you time, energy, and a whole lot of cleanup. Let's start with breakfast. One perfectly steamed, fluffy scrambled eggs in under 2 minutes. Just whisk a couple of eggs with a splash of milk in a microwave-safe mug, season, and zap it for about 90 seconds, stirring halfway through. Boom, a hot, delicious breakfast with virtually no mess. Moving on to vegetables. Steaming veggies on the stovetop can be a hassle. Instead, try this. Chop your broccoli or carrots, place them in a bowl with a tablespoon of water, cover it, and microwave for 3 to 4 minutes. You'll get perfectly crisp tender vegetables every single time, and all their nutrients are locked right in. It's faster and honestly, the texture is just better. Now for the really cool stuff. Did you know you can make crispy potato chips in your microwave? Thinly slice a potato, toss the slices with a little oil and salt, and arrange them in a single layer on a plate lined with parchment paper. Microwave for about 5 minutes, flipping them once until they're golden and crispy. It's a game changer for snack time. And let's not forget dessert. You've probably heard of mug cakes, but have you tried making your own fruit compote? Just chop up some berries or peaches, add a touch of sugar and maybe a squeeze of lemon juice, and microwave for a few minutes until it's bubbly and thick. It's the perfect topping for ice cream, yogurt, or even those scrambled eggs we made earlier. But the hacks don't stop at food. You can use your microwave to sterilize kitchen sponges, warm up plates before serving a fancy dinner, or even get more juice out of a lemon or lime. Just pop the citrus in for 10 seconds, and it'll be so much easier to squeeze. So the next time you look at your microwave, don't just see a reheating box. See it as a versatile kitchen assistant that's ready to help you cook smarter, not harder. From breakfast to dessert and everything in between, its potential is huge. I'd love to hear your favorite microwave hacks, so drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more kitchen secrets.